Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I am your host and I am excited to have you join me on this English language journey. Whether you are aiming to boost your fluency, improve your grammar or simply become a more confident English speaker, you are in the right place. Today's video is all about boosting your confidence in spoken English, expanding your vocabulary and mastering those everyday phrases that makes conversation a breeze. So if you are ready to take your skills to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe and let's get क्षमता कैपेसिटी विशेषण एक्सपर्ट इलाज ट्रीटमेंट अकेलापन लोनलीनेस टाल देना पोस्टपोन आशीर्वाद blessing ध्यान दिलाना remind आदर करना respect सीखने योग्य learnable प्रकृति nature व्यवहार behavior आत्मविश्वास confidence कल्पना करना to imagine सलाह advice आनंद pleasure Next word yourself तुरंत immediately कुछ भी anything लंबे समय तक long time छोड़ देना give up लालची greedy next word jealous आजीविका career हर चीज everything उठाओ pick up आलसी laziness जरूरी necessary बाहर outside आखिरकार finally Alright, that's for today's video. For now, keep practicing, keep learning and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more lessons and hit the notification bell so you will stay updated. Until next time, happy learning and expressing.